Welcome to the next session on confusing pair of words. Let's understand the difference between collision and collusion. Collision means a physical crash. For example, two cars met with a collision in the fog. Collusion means a secret conspiracy. There was a collusion between smugglers and political leaders. Always remember, collision is accident, collusion is cheating together, a secret conspiracy. Let's understand the difference between contemptible and contemptuous. Contemptible describes something shameful or disgusting. For example, the taxi driver's behavior was contemptible. Contemptuous means acting with disrespect. He gave a contemptuous look to the beggar. Always remember, contemptible things deserves hate, contemptuous people show hate. Let's understand the difference between considerable and considerate. Considerable means large in size or degree. For example, he spent a considerable amount to improve workers' lives. Considerate means kind and thoughtful. He is considerate toward his subordinate. Always remember, considerable is quantity, large quantity. Considerable is quality, being thoughtful, being kind. Let's understand the difference between ceremonious and ceremonial. Ceremonious means overly formal or ritualistic. For example, one should not be very ceremonious in family events. Ceremonial means connected with formal rituals. For example, I could not attend the ceremonial function. Always remember, ceremonious is the style, ceremonial is the event. Let's understand the difference between similar sounding word complacent and complacent. Complacent with S means helpful and polite. He is popular for his complacent nature. Complacent means lazy because you are too satisfied. For example, students became complacent and ignored studies. Always remember, complacent with S means to serve others, complacent with C means overconfident, which ignores effort. I hope you understood all the pairs. Look at the series which we have built for improving your vocabulary and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.